Hey guys, I'm Mike Caffro with Black Hills UTV, and today we're going to be showing you the Rhino USA folding survival shovel. This is a military style folding shovel that's made with lighter and stronger materials. If you ever find yourself in a situation where you have to dig out, having the proper tools is essential. The Rhino USA folding survival shovel is designed and engineered in the US of A. This shovel gives you 2 feet of usable leverage to dig out of any situation, whether it be sand, rocks, or mud. To use, simply pull the shovel out of its carrying case, unfold it, screw your locking ring to the right, and you're ready to dig out of any situation. Another great feature about this shovel is it can be also used in a 90-degree pickaxe position. This is a standard piece of equipment that should be in every off-road vehicle that you own. Visit rhinousainc.com or ask for this and other Rhino USA products at your local off-road shop.